$80 item, 25% off, then 10% off again. What's the final price? Most people mess this up. You're about to crack the code in 30 seconds. Here's where everyone fails. They think 25 plus 10 equals 35% off. Wrong. Dead wrong. This is the trap. You cannot just add the percentages, because that second discount, it's off the new price, not the original. Watch this. The actual way to solve this. Step 1. First discount. 25% off $80. Here's the trick. 25% off means you're paying 75%. So multiply 80 by 0.75. $60. That's your new price after the first discount. But we're not done. The second discount is coming. Now, 10% off $60, not $80. This is key. 10% off means pay 90%. 60 times 0.9. $54. That's your final price. Not 52, not some random number. 54. Let me prove it to you. Here's why that mistake is so dangerous. If you just did 35% off, watch what happens. 35% off 80. You'd multiply by 0.65. You'd think it's this, $52. But that's wrong. You lost $2. The store literally got you. $2 difference. Doesn't sound like much? Do this mistake 10 times, $20 gone. 50 times, $100 just evaporated because you didn't know this trick. But here's the insane shortcut. You ready? You can do this in one step. Watch. Multiply all at once. 80 times 0.75 times 0.9. Chain them together. This is black magic. 0.75 times 0.9 equals 0.675. Now watch. 80 times 0.675. Boom. $54. Same answer. One calculation. You just saved like 20 seconds, and you look like a genius. Here's the power move. Multiply the decimals first, then hit the original price. Any multiple discount problem? This works. 0.75 times 0.9. 0.675. That's your total multiplier. Memorize this for this exact problem. Which means the real total discount? 32.5%, not 35. You see the difference? This is why math matters. This is how stores trick you. You just learned something most adults don't know. Multiple discounts. Cracked. Never get fooled by store math again. Drop a fire emoji if this saved you money. Smash follow for more tricks they don't teach in school. You're officially in the Smart Squad. Let's go.